Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by prepping chocolate and mold. Chop couverture or use compound chocolate. If using couverture, temper it for a stable snap and shine. Once tempered, pour a thin 2-3 mm layer into clean, dry molds so the sheet will contact chocolate evenly. Make sure the transfer sheet is trimmed to the cavity size and lay it printed side down onto the wet chocolate right away. This prevents air gaps. Work steadily so the chocolate doesn't begin to set before contact. Once the sheet is in place, press gently with fingers or a small scraper to eliminate bubbles, but don't stretch the sheet. After that, move molds to a cool, dry spot and refrigerate for about 8-12 minutes until the chocolate is fully set. Chilling too long can cause bloom when returned to warm air. Make sure there's no condensation forming. If there is, let the temperature equalize before demolding. When the chocolate feels firm and snaps, you're ready to unmold carefully. You'll finish by demolding and revealing the transfer. Push the mold from the bottom to release pieces, then peel the transfer sheet back at a 45 degrees angle for the cleanest pattern. If the design looks dull or the surface feels sticky, that signals temper problems or moisture. Retemper the chocolate or rest pieces in a stable, dry 15-18 degrees environment to recover. For storage, make sure humidity is low and stack with parchment to protect surfaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.